Universitas Udayana merupakan universitas negeri di Denpasar yang terdiri pada 29 FORTEI tahun 1992 dengan bidang
45% dan terbesar. Dan pada saat bidang studi dalamnya diantaranya yang pertama adalah komputer. Dari keempat konsentrasi yang diantaranya yang pertama alumni nantinya akan memiliki keunggulan di bidang teknikan, mampu bekerja secara profesional, inovatif, dan berperan aktif dalam lembaga nasional. Dan kemudian yang kedua, alumni akan memiliki kemampuan komunikasi yang efektif, berjiwa kepemimpinan, dan mengedepankan nilai budaya pada setiap profesi yang dijalankan. Selanjutnya, yang ketiga, alumni akan memiliki kemampuan mengembangkan diri melalui pembelajaran sepanjang hayat.
Conference on Electrical Engineering ICE 2024, organized by FORTEI Organization.
Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
From Taiwan Semiconductor Research Institute. To representative of our sponsor, 3 microenergy system specialists cyber. In addition to the paper presentation, the program featured plenary keynote speech, gala dinner, and social this event as a platform to publish your significant and enjoy special entertainment. Lastly, we extend our thanks.
My colleague and also a very good friend of mine since the days of our doctoral studies, that this is a great conference. And I would also like to extend my greetings to the distinguished keynote speakers, Professor Tu Hung Hao, the Director General of Economic Affairs Indonesia, and last but not least, to the conference committee members and all participants. They are the same mission, namely advancing technology for humanity. But for us, it is within the scope of Indonesia. IEEE societies, widely ranging from power and energy to communications to oceanic engineering to education and to social implications of technology.
Respected speakers, esteemed delegates, and honored participants. Good morning and welcome
theme of this year's conference, which is empowering innovations, navigating the future of semiconductor industry. It is last night, so hopefully all the equipment will work well. If not work.
Thank you, Professor Sudarsana, for your insightful address. But please hold on and stay on the stage, because we will continue to opening this event with the striking of the gong. And we would also like to respectfully invite, and please come to the stage, the Dean of Faculty of Engineering. Okay, we count together to striking the gong. On 3, 2, 1. Please give big round of applause. So, FORTEI International Conference on Electrical Engineering ICE 2024 is officially open. 3, 2, 1. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you, Professor Sudarsana, Professor Linawati, Dr. Gede Dr. Sukadarmika, and distinguished speaker, also founders of FORTEI. But please be in front of the participant, because we would like to continue to take a picture with all the participants. Maybe with a love gesture or encourage gesture or good gesture. On 3, 2, 1. Once again, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
System is very critical for success. So it also has the 80% of the manufacturing capability, 39% of the global mobile phone factories in Taiwan. So that's now also very important. And there's a technology challenge we are facing in the semiconductor industry right now. Then but most importantly, we need to operate how many mathematic operation we can compute, artificial intelligence. And this figure just show you the input flow, right? So you're going to double your number of transistors every 2 years. So you can see semiconductors. So from the AMD, from the NVIDIA, they are very top on the manufacturing capability. But they are powerful, but they are also very expensive. The richest man is Ruang, I guess. So more than 1 trillion transistors using the TSMC 700. So yeah, as I mentioned, you do have the capability electrical bills at home, right? So today's how. So it's event the open lab windows when we know this lightning. So this is limited by that to use this liquid cooling as well in order to bring people how affordable to do this for the past 20 years. But you can see